Hello, my name is Keshav and I'm your Flipkart Tech Pro. The Realme 7 Pro is here, finally. This has been one of the most exciting smartphone launches of the year. Let's see what was behind all this hype. Realme 7 Pro boasts a 64 megapixel quad camera system with all the variations like the macro lens and the ultra wide lens. What makes this camera really special is its Sony IMX682 sensor, which offers sharp, bright and vibrant images which can take your mobile photography to the next level. It also helps you take brilliant nightscapes thanks to its sensor. Realme 7 Pro comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. The AMOLED display is very vibrant and easy to your eye. This AMOLED screen gives you a much better viewing experience than the LCD displays that you normally expect at this price point. It also features an in-display fingerprint sensor to ensure quick and secure access. Never bother about running out of battery with this smartphone, as it features a 4500 mAh battery and a 65-watt fast charger. 34 minutes is all it takes to take your phone from 0 to 100%. This battery will give you about 3.5 hours of calling time with just about 3 minutes of charging. Now that's remarkable. So friends, as you just saw, Realme 7 Pro is offering so many special features which makes it one of the most exciting smartphones launched this year. Its brilliant camera, Super AMOLED display and 65-watt super dart charging tells you what all the hype was about. So if you are someone who is looking for a smartphone with all these features, Realme 7 Pro is made for you. Here's a tip for the purchase of your next phone. Do check out Flipkart's complete mobile protection program that takes care of any damage to your phone at minimal price. You could also check out the hassle-free exchange policy, which will give you maximum value for your current smartphone. That's it from me, Keshav, your Flipkart Tech Pro. Hope I could help you in your search for a new smartphone.